So let's try out how torquey is the car. Wow. A little bit more can reach 100. I think you can really reach 100 from here. Huh? I think so, man. Really, the car is really not bad.
Welcome back to the Wayne and Ronnie Show. Today we have a Mercedes A200 2019 model.
Yep, 2019 model. Yep. So this is the current and the latest A200 Sedan. In this episode, we're going to tell you why, in our opinion, that this is one of the best continental compact sedan that you can own. So stay with us. So we are driving the A200 Sedan for a day, and being a 1.3, I mean the CC of the car is actually 1.3. So many have actually asked, is a 1.3 enough for such a car? I mean, for a regular national car, they are running at 1.3. You know, it's such a small size. And that being said, being a continental car with a much heavier weight, will 1.3 engine, is the 1.3 engine sufficient? Well, first of all, the 1.3 engine produces 163 horsepower, so I guess that's equivalent to a regular, a 2-liter Japanese SUV, the small size SUV. So yeah, but then again, I would really like to find out if this 1.3 163 horsepower engine is enough, or is it sufficient for us? Yeah, I think it's really good. It's not sluggish. Then see. Oh, you don't have that, you know, that chi back that feeling, what do you call it? It is, honestly though, it's actually not bad, the power.
Actually, it still has a kick, right?
Yeah, before we actually drove this car, I was actually asking Wayne, hey, 1.3 can or not? And honestly, after I drove this car, after I drove it, I was like, no questions asked. Yes, the power is sufficient. So other than the 1.3 engine that we doubted just now, so there's no doubt at all now. So the number two thing that really catches our attention is this the media display. So there's actually two 10.25 inch media display. One is the media display, and another one would be the digital dashboard. What do they call it, Wayne? The
digital instrument display.
The digital instrument display, yes. So there's two 10.25 inch, so that makes it like what, 20.5 inch. But although they don't calculate it that way, but anyways, let's talk about this. So you know, I'm one of the guy who's very particular about what shows on your dashboard. I mean, that there's few display that you get to choose, like the classic ones. Then it immediately changes to this display, and then let's go for something more sporty. Let's try progressive. Bam! Yeah. So this is one thing good about the digital, the meter being digital. So you can actually choose all those things that's here. Whatever that's on the media display, it's actually quite similar, or it's the same with the setting on the dashboard. So yeah, and then everything is accessed with the touchpad. And then one thing I like about the car is like it comes with a full leather option, and then also both sides it comes with an electric memory seat. Another thing that we will want to highlight is the voice command. The voice command on the car.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's try this. Hi Mercedes.
Yes, please.
Radio. Yep. So another thing that I like is the ambience lighting on the car. So during night time, once you switch on once the headlight has been automatically turned on, then the ambience lighting actually do come out. So that are those those are the few minor things that actually makes a whole lot of difference. Although they might be minor. So everything get to be personalized, everything get to be adjusted to your own liking. Another thing that I like about the car is the assistant package. So once I put the car in reverse, So this would be the normal reverse mode, but I get to actually also select the wide angle mode. See the difference? This one I cannot see this one I can't see the tree on the left, and bam, tree on the left. So apart from the interior that we've just covered, we would like to highlight a few things about the exterior for the A200. So firstly, the A200 Sedan and the hatchback sports the same head, where I always feel that the A200 hatchback has, it's always lacking about something. But once they introduce the sedan, I guess, it's a perfect world already. Where else can you find a compact sedan with such horsepower and with such boot space? It even sports 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, just to make things much more sportier. And so we have the headlamp here, and the Mercedes call it the high performance headlamp. I'm not sure why, but one thing that's useful over here would be the adaptive headlamp. So whichever direction that you turn, it turns and sways towards the direction. So that's useful. Just to show you why did we say that the A200 sedan is the perfect compact sedan of all. It's the boot space. Where else can you get a 1.3 litre, 163 horsepower compact sedan with this much boot space? Just to wrap things up on why we think that the A200 sedan is the best sedan that you should buy. Number one being that it's 230,000. Number two, it has a 4 years warranty. Number three, it's a 1.3 litre engine that produces 163 horsepower. Number four, the size of the car, of course, being compact. Number five, the boot space of the car.
So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, put your comments down below, and we'll see you next week.
Yep, see you again soon.